What up out there, y'all? About to be installing this new carbon fiber hood. It's my old hood right here, man. I sanded it down. I primed it down. I was gonna paint it, but I ended up not getting to it, so I ended up just getting me a whole new hood. It's my new one right here. Y'all probably seen in the previous video. I'll open that box up here in a minute, but first up, let's go ahead and take this hood right here off. It's pretty easy to take off. Only 4 bolts. Let's go ahead and take it. I'm gonna see if I can do this all by myself for y'all. Show y'all what we look like. Just we got 2 bolts right here, and the same 2 bolts on the opposite side over here. These 2 bolts right there. Take them joints out. The carbon fiber hood is gonna be a lot lighter. I'm see if I can put that on. That'd be a lot easier to put on. See if I can get this off right here. Trying to find the easiest way to get this thing off by myself. I mean, it's real easy to take off, but I mean, you just need an extra hand, somebody to hold one side while you're onto another side. Let's see if I can do it by myself real quick though, without messing my hood up too bad. Hood off. It wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad. Didn't mess it up at all. This guy's sitting over here right now. Got go ahead and open up this hood right here. See what she's looking like, man. Y'all know, look at this hood, man. If I throw it on. If anybody didn't see the video, me unboxing this joint. They package it real good though. That's what's up. Full carbon fiber hood right here. Hoping she go on right, man. It's about to be it. Came with his own boat too, pretty cool. So I ain't got to use my old ones. Throw these new joints up there. All right, man. Let's go ahead and see if we throw this thing on. Check it out, y'all. What y'all think? So right here's the current status, man. Hey, it fit pretty good too, though. Man, it fit pretty good. Couple more little touch-ups I gotta do, but she ready though. She done. I'm trying to think if I wanna take off my other hood. My other hood had like the seals going around here. I don't know if I want to take those off or not. But I might take them joints off. And I got to take my, I don't let the camera fall. And I got to take my windshield wiper sprayers out. Throw them in there. As of right now though, man, that's it. It's the new look. It's a new look for you right here, Diamond. Oh yeah. She clean though. The rims back on it, man. Got a carbon fiber hood on that joint now. Let me know what y'all think. It's gonna be it for right now, y'all. That's all I'm gonna do for right now. The only thing I did right there off camera was just put in windshield wiper sprayers, throw them joints in. I'm gonna do another video, man. I was about to put the just the blue lights in right here. I'm gonna wait and do another video of that when I redo the inside too. When I do the blue lights in the inside, redo my interior. But she turned out looking all right, man. Turned out looking all right. I never did put the sealers on. I might do that off camera. I don't know for sure yet. I don't think I'm gonna be driving in the rain. No way. I ain't know this opening was gonna be this big. You can see my whole engine bay down that joint. That's crazy. I'm gonna have to keep my engine bay clean now, man. I like that blue though. Let's go. Hey man, I did get moves. I was talking about this in my previous videos. I am in my new garage right now. Make sure y'all click the link below. Me getting this garage set up. I got it on my other page. Make sure y'all subscribe to my other page too, the DP Experience. Stuff I be doing off camera. I was talking about this move right here when I was showing my old house, showing this new house and stuff like that. Make sure y'all check that out so y'all can see me setting up this garage, before and after type joint. It's a 4-car garage, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side over there. But yeah, that's about it, man. Came out looking right. Can't wait to take this thing out in the sun, boy. And it's gonna be 60 degrees today too. Perfect day to get you right. Let go. All right, y'all, man. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. It's been your host right here, BeastieBoyDrumma, Beastie Car Mars, man. Another one. Let's go.